Hello, Buffer team. I'm Anthony, and recently I've been learning a lot about WhatsApp automations. I have built some automations and bots for WhatsApp in the past. For example, I built this WhatsApp bot for the latest elections in Peru that sent me a message whenever new data was available. This got some traction, like more than 1,000 users in less than 24 hours, and was a really cool project. So I like a lot WhatsApp as a communication platform. I believe a lot of people use WhatsApp, so it's the best interface to interact, especially for users in LATAM. And recently, I got a new idea involving WhatsApp, so I run a community called Crafter Station, which until now it has more than 700 users. And here, the people is sharing what they are learning, what they are shipping all the day. So as you can imagine, at the end of the day, someone that didn't open the chat early in the morning will have like hundreds of messages. So I thought it would be cool if there was a bot that could like give me a summary of the conversation at any moment. And so as I usually do, I was planning to use Capso, which is like a wrapper of the official Meta API for WhatsApp. But I realized that neither Capso, neither Meta has support for WhatsApp groups. So one cannot add a bot to a WhatsApp group and interact with it. And that kind of shocked me a bit. WhatsApp is super important here in Latin America. There are millions of people using it every day. And I believe that people should have better tools to create automations in WhatsApp. So I did my research and I found that one, as a developer, can like run an instance of WhatsApp web in a server and expose an API that can be connected to an application. And doing this, we have more control to interact with WhatsApp, with groups, WhatsApp statuses, not only listening to messages, but also to other events that WhatsApp might have. But doing all of this has like a little bit of complexity. Not everyone can like deploy a server running WhatsApp web. There are some security and performance considerations there. So I think that developers deserve better tooling around this. So I am working on something called Normal. To quickly understand Normal, you have to think it as an NAN for WhatsApp. You can create almost any automation using Normal. As of right now, Normal is supporting events for direct messages, group messages, and group participant updates. So for example, I have this onMember added workflow. This will trigger whenever a new participant enters the group chat. It will then send a welcome on board message. And finally, it will call an API to persist the user in a database. Right now, it's just a CSV file locally. Let's test this by adding a member to the group chat. And we will see that one event was received here and all the automation ran. And also we can see here that the backend received a post request and it executed properly. So if we go to the users.csv file, we can see the phone number of the new member was added. And we also have an automation for when members are deleted, and this calls an API to delete the phone number. So let's test it. And it will remove the phone number from here. And you can do a lot of things with Normal. For example, this one that triggers when we receive a group message and that message has a mention to the bot. It generates the response with AI and sends the message back. And we will see here that Normal is answering with AI. And for AI features, I am using the AI SDK. So we can also define tools, and these tools can have actions like also doing HTTP requests or sending messages or whatever. So yeah, that is Normal, and that's what I'm learning these days. I'm learning a lot about WhatsApp and automating that. I really appreciate developer experience. I believe developers in LATAM that are building things around WhatsApp deserve better tools. And yeah, that's what I'm learning recently. I hope you find this cool, and I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Thank you.